This is Ben the EV guy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
What's up? This is MModified with another 60-second product review. Today we're going to focus on the cargo net. Unfortunately, the cargo net here in the US model won't work unless you're using the hooks for the car seat. In the other models, in UK, they actually have hooks here. Luckily, I have some available. So if you want to use this particular installation, it's very simple. You drill a small hole and then you use these drill to hook in the net. The final result looks like that. Now, I don't know about you, but I tend to have a lot of clutter, and at times I buy groceries. I don't want things fumbling around. The beauty of these net is that once you strap down, it secures the content fairly well. For the price point, it's actually a really good deal if you can get the hooks. And I'm gonna try to give one of these away. So I'm gonna give the hook and the net. Check out other videos. Happy holidays.